Okay, in this video we're checking out another folding selfie drone. This is called the FLITT. And you can see it's very compact here. Obviously toy grade stuff here. And the arms fold out like so. But you can see when it's folded up it's super compact. A little power button up top there. It does record to a micro SD card slot over here, which is kind of hard to see. No controller. You just use your phone to control it and start and stop video. And we'll show you the app a little bit later in the video. Tiny pinhole camera here, pretty narrow field of view, but the angle is somewhat adjustable, so you can point it down like a lot of their selfie drones. Not a whole lot to talk about here. Brushed motors, and you do get some spare props, and also prop guards are included if you want to use those. If you're doing it indoors, there's a proprietary battery here. It's in the bottom. And this battery is somewhat difficult to remove. It uses this pin system. So here's the charger that's included. It's a 1S battery here. Charges via micro USB. And you include the micro USB cable. But the battery here looks like this. It's a 1S 900 milliamp hour battery. They say 8 minutes of flight, I think. And it uses this pin system where it plugs into this like this to the charger like this, and this obviously the pins are in the drone itself, so it does make the taking the battery in and out somewhat challenging, which was a little bit annoying, but yeah, that's about it in terms of the overview. And we'll go ahead and give it a fly, see what the camera quality is like, and see how easy it is to fly via the app. Okay, so I have it connected to my phone here at the park. I'm going to start a video recording, and it says in the instructions to have the camera facing you. I think it's defaulted in selfie mode. And let's see, we got some takeoff button here, emergency button there. Very unusual looking controls. Looks like throttle here on the left, and I think yaw is just swiping on the screen, so give that a try here. Hit the takeoff here. Okay, doing the accelerometer calibration. There it goes. So I think it has optical flow, so it looks like it's holding position. To the right. A yacht. Very slow. So it's pretty much same controls as any other RC. The video that's on the screen is not updating. Right now it's, well, no. I'm assuming it's recording to the micro SD card, but on the screen it's totally frozen. But let's take a look at the drone, the way it's flying. It's nice and stable. Pretty quiet. That's definitely not updating. See here. See, what is some of these other modes we got going on? 1, 2, no idea. You can also use these buttons on the side. Doesn't seem to do anything. So you do basically left and right. And increase the altitude. For whatever reason, the the video coming back to the app is extremely, well, pretty much unusable. You can't fly at FPV. But it looks very stable in terms of just looking at a line of sight in terms of flight. I'll obviously overlay the recorded video as well. That should not be skipping around, I don't think. I'm going to just raise it up here. Don't think I can get too far. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm looking at. Let's turn it over this way and then see if we can get some video in that direction. I'm still waiting for it to update. I think this is an app issue. Got some birds. I'm still waiting for it to update. Looks like I'm getting a red flashing battery sign as well. Maybe the battery's already running low. It's only been up for about 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes. I have no idea, if it's recording anything. I'm just looking at a line of sight. Oh, there we go. Now we got an update. So the Wi-Fi on this is pretty unreliable. Now all of a sudden I'm drifting forward. That was not inputted. Let's bring it down. I'm going to go ahead and land it. Actually, let's stop the video. And I'm just going to take some photos. Okay, the photo showed up. I saw a little brief flash of the photo. Rotate it around. Yeah, as long as you don't have any wind, it looks like you can get some pretty good video. Now all of a sudden it is updating normally on the screen, but I'm not recording video. Alright, let's try recording video again. Let's see what happens. Now it looks like the video coming back is recording or updating on the screen okay. I have a feeling my flight time is just about over. Go ahead and land it. Get a little bit of wind now. I'm gonna stop that video recording. This is very strange for when I was actually doing the recording of the video the first time around. It was not updating the screen on the phone at all, the video on the phone at all, but now it seems fine. That is quite odd. I think it might be an app issue. And oh, looks like it stuttered again. I mean, normally you do get some Wi-Fi stuttering when you're at a distance, but I was pretty much right next to it and it shouldn't be doing that. Alright, I'm going to try one more flight and kill off the rest of this battery. I'm going to adjust the angle down a little bit on the camera. And I think I might get maybe a couple more minutes, so let's unlock this. And we'll take off. Now it looks like it's updating normally, so I'm going to hit video recording again. I think the battery is almost dead anyway. You can see me there. And again, it's not updating the video. And I think I'm getting a vibration on the phone. It wants me to land. The battery is just about dead. So yeah, I'm not sure about this particular drone. Or maybe the app just needs updating. It flies fine. It looks like it needs a little more work. And it looks like it's landing on its own there. So that's the end of the battery. Anyway guys, yeah, I think, not sure if I can recommend this yet. Check back later. I'll see if there's an app update or not, but yeah, the app does not update the video on the phone as reliably as it should, but you can see the video quality. If you don't need that, just gonna fly it like I said, it might be okay. Anyway guys, that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.